Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla on Monday felicitated 4 NCC cadets from the state who participated in this year's Republic Day Parade and NCC Prime Minister's rally held in New Delhi. The governor presented cash rewards to CUO Konsam Moramba Mete, CUO Ningthojam Pinky, CSUO Swati Laistram and SUO Laikthanthem Chanchan in recognition of their achievement. Congratulating the cadets, the governor encouraged them to continue demonstrating dedication and commitment towards serving the nation. During the program, the group commander of NCC headquarters Imphal, along with other officers, also briefed the governor on various training activities conducted by different NCC units across the state. It was further informed that the special training sessions for NCC cadets from Churchanpur were conducted in Manipur.